What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com. Rayware Computers since 1996. You've been struggling when it comes to creating your affiliate websites? Go to rwcweb.com. Put your best email here, and I shall send you oodles and oodles of great stuff for free. Now, doing a Webstarts thing. Webstarts, they got some pretty great stuff. Pretty great stuff, man. Let me tell you. Okay. The ultimate drag and drop Webstarts. Okay. Now these templates are great. Now when you're doing templates in anything, you gotta be careful because you don't want to leave things in the template that you don't want to on your website. Okay, you can wrap your head around that and it should be pretty easy. So templates, you got to be careful. Of course, this is an absolutely lovely template. It shows you all the dynamic features of Webstarts. Okay, I love this, love it. Okay, so there's a lot of great features in Webstarts, but again, it shows you how it looks on mobile. Pretty schmancy. I got a link in the description. I am an affiliate. Okay, you know, it's the same price for you. It's like $7 a month, man. And it's one-stop shopping. You get $7 a month. Okay, you'll get forums, you get these calendars, you get a blog. Okay, you could do, you know, pretty much anything that you need to do on a website. Okay, for pretty much anything. Affiliate marketing, brick and mortar store. Okay. It's got all kinds of features, all kinds of great stuff. Can't talk enough about it. Okay. Now, basically, and it's very inexpensive. You get the free stuff. You get all this with the free stuff, okay? Domains, subdomains, you get, okay, unlimited pages you can make with subdomains, gigabyte of storage, okay. And there's a lot of options on the free subdomain that isn't really up here, okay, because, you know, they want you to purchase their product. For $7 a month, you got some serious web product here. Serious web product. Okay. Now, basically, just wanted to show you a couple things. The Webstarts, for example, you can go to light to dark. I like the dark. Okay. Now I just added this blank page. Alright, now you come up here, file, new page, save and publish, clear content, delete the page, page setting, background colors, preview, so forth. Okay, now you can use an image as a background. Okay, they have tons and tons of stock images for so many things. This is pretty cool right here. Let's see what they got here. Now, let's go back. I like an image without people in it, so let's put this here. Alright, I think that's fantastic right there. Okay, and it's that simple. We're going to save it. We're going to preview it. Okay, so there's your image in the background. So now let's add some stuff to it. Let's add a shape, box, okay. Add some text. And we're just putting this in there just for shits and giggles, you know. Let's add an image. Alright. Let's go with a product or something. Let's see what we got here. We got this. I like this guy. Oh, not this guy. Let's do it that way. Okay. Take our, again, the ultimate drag and drop. Okay, center. Now, like I said, you could use a template. Templates are great. Let's get this going here. This color. Background. Let's make it white. Okay. I don't like the border on it at all. Alright. Let's save it, have a quick look, see how she rolls. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. Like I said, the ultimate drag and drop. Okay. See, once you put something there, it goes with that block. Okay. Let's do this. Go to a background image. Let's change that image. See, they got all different options. You can tile it, horizontal. Okay. I'm just curious. Let's see the horizontal view. Get rid of that. Probably just put it across, but let's put it on the full screen. Okay, and then it depends on the image also. So now let's delete this. Let's add another background image. Search. And we can just type it in. Backgrounds. Alright. Let's get something a little lighter going. Alright, we'll take that. A little lighter. Okay. So that's kind of cool. So now that picture there, let's put fit, and bring it up. Alright, now background. Horizontal. See if it made any changes. It's all relative. Okay, so let's do it this way too. Let's get this down here so we could see. Okay, so that image is just in there once, okay? It's just in there once. Okay. Let's save it. Refresh. Alright, so now when you see those websites where they have multiple images in there, okay, that's what it's done, okay? Now let's get rid of it. Let's get rid of this box over here. Okay. Now, if you want to add an image as a background, okay, we just hit it like that. Okay, we'll send it to the back. Okay, we can align it. See, that's auto. Alright, now what happens is I can take that image and put it back to the way it was at any time, okay? See how that works? Oops, I duplicated it. Okay, so now it's back to being an image like normal, okay? So we'll put it out. Bring it all the way up. Now my guy is the top page. Okay. Okay, so he's a little high. Oh, that's the picture. Okay. Let me try something here. Get my boy's head in there. There we go. Alright. The ultimate drag and drop Webstarts. Okay. See my top grid lines. I think we're caching in. Alright, you want to alleviate the cache. Okay, disable cache. There we go. Huh? Get that out of there. There she goes. Okay. So now these colors is probably good white. The text colors. Make it the whitest white you can make it. We'll make it bold. Now, a lot of times they have these websites with these wordings here, so you can see even if you make that a color, it's not really going to stick out much, okay? You make it a color, a red, depending on the background that it's behind. Okay, you can read it. I've seen so many like this, it kind of drives me crazy. Okay, so let's just make it white. Now what I like to do, because I definitely have problems seeing stuff because of my dyslexia, but also I'd like everything to be very legible, very readable, okay, and pleasant on the eye as well. Okay, we're going to attach this to that box. Now the black is nice, but it's covering some of the picture, okay, in the background. So we want to make it tight up on it, okay. Now this video is getting kind of long, but let's go over here to the settings and the style. Okay. We got shadow effect, we got border, round colors. Let's go border width. We don't really want a border on it. Settings. Okay, now we should be able to opaque that. There it is. Okay. Spot on like that. Okay. So let's save it. So very quickly, you can do these things. Webstarts. Okay, as you can see, I want to leave it. A little bit darker. And thus you could pretty much put it anywhere. You want to see what's going on with it. Try and leave all of the elements in the picture. Okay. So this is Ray from rwcweb.com. I try not to make these videos too long. Here to teach you how to do your affiliate websites and any website that you want to make for anything really. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe because that's what they tell me to do.